My name's Alexandra Lyzwa. I go to Baylor University and I'm a marketing major. When I joined the marketing club, they virtually had zero online presence. And so I was given the opportunity to build that up from the ground. I am not exactly a graphic designer, and so that's why Adobe Spark was a lot more appealing to me. I would definitely say that Adobe Spark does a good job of, adding that flair and something that's a little bit more interesting. My favorite feature would be the style suggestion feature. I don't have as much time as I want to have, so it's just all there laid out for you, and so I think that's what makes it so easy. So I had a good time of kind of just establishing that brand presence and taking things into my hands. And because I had such a positive experience with that, I decided to kind of take it a step further, and I ended up using it for my in-class marketing presentations, as well as using it for my Instagram page. I plan to graduate in May. And in the future, I'm hoping to kind of take my career into that more creative side of business and then eventually make it to the C-suite if I can.